Hi, I'm Sarah from FreeFall Laser, and I want to show you the projects you'll be making if you take my Start Laser Cutting with Confidence course. This is the course that I wish I had when I started laser cutting over a decade ago with no experience making vector files or using digital tools like a laser cutter. My learning curve was steep, but yours doesn't have to be. One of the unique aspects of this course is that you'll learn the essential tools of making laser cutting files in Adobe Illustrator alongside building your knowledge of how to laser cut and engrave through hands-on creative projects. In this course, you'll create a laser cutting box of curiosities by designing your own files from scratch or using or adapting the templates and files provided. Let's take a look at the different projects. The first project is a laser engraved Japanese paper lantern with an interwoven design. Japanese paper is so thin. I'll show you how to test the engraving settings so you get transparency without going all the way through the material. Next, learn how to use shape tools to create a pop-up robot or any creature of your choosing. Do you see what's missing from this piece? No burn or dark marks around the cut edge. I'll show you how to cut paper without burn. With acrylic, choose your word and learn how to format text and create a sandblasted look on your box top, how to offset paths and stencilize. Plus, how to avoid flashback, nicks, and other acrylic challenges, and the types of materials that are safe to laser cut and the ones you absolutely have to avoid. Finally, learn how to design files with snug interlocking parts when you laser cut your box and put it together. Color mapping to engrave at different depths, adjusting the Z-axis for different line weights, and turning line art into vector files to engrave. All your projects and test files will fit in your laser cut box with a hinged top. If you want to jumpstart your laser cutting journey or have experience but want to take it further, Start Laser Cutting with Confidence starts on June 7th. Click on the link below to learn more and register.